Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy S22. Even if you have forgotten the pin code and the screen is locked, this will work, but it will erase everything. Now your phone, once you do this, your phone will be like it came out of the box. So all your photos, contacts, apps, everything will be deleted. But if that's fine with you, this is a pretty simple thing to do. Let's get started right now. All we're going to do right now is we're going to just press and hold the volume up button and the power button as shown here, and we're going to keep pressing and holding those buttons. Oh, and by the way, you should plug your phone in while you do this. You're going to press and hold these two buttons while it's turning on, and you'll see that it will turn on in this mode here. And what you can do is, using the volume up and down, you can just toggle down to the wipe data factory reset option, and then you can hit the power button to confirm that option. Then it's going to ask you to confirm it. So wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And once you click on that, you can toggle down to the factory data reset. Once you hit the power button, there's no going back. Everything will be deleted. And then you hit that. It will go through a reset cycle and wipe everything. And then you can reboot your phone, and it will be like it was when it came out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.